BLPT and 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 19. Ichibang. Verb ta form. The ta form is a past tense form of verbs. To make the ta form, change te and de of the te form into ta and da respectively. Conversion examples. Group 1. Kaite, kaita. Nonde, nonda. Group 2. Tabite, tabita. Group 3. Kite, kita. Shite, shita. Nibang. Verb ta form koto ga arimasu, or have the experience of verb ing. This sentence pattern is used to describe what one has experienced in the past. This is similar to the sentence watashi wa naon ga arimasu, learned in lesson 9. The content of one's experience is expressed by the nominalized phrase verb ta form koto. Examples: Uma ne notta koto ga arimasu. I have ridden a horse. Kyonen Hokkaido de uma ni norimashita. I rode a horse in Hokkaido last year. Sangbang. Verb ta form re. Verb ta form reshimasu. This pattern is used to refer to a few things or actions among many others. It was covered in lesson 10. The tense of the sentence pattern is shown at the end of the sentence. Examples: Nichiyubi wa tennis o shitari eiga o mitari shimasu. On Sundays, I play tennis, see a movie, and so on. Nichiyubi wa tennis o shitari eiga o mitari shimashita. Last Sunday, I played tennis, saw a movie, and so on. Note: make sure that you don't confuse this pattern with the te form sentence which you learned in lesson 16. For example, Nichiyubi wa tennis o shite eiga o mimashita. Last Sunday, I played tennis and then saw a movie. Sangbang. Verb ta form re. Verb ta form reshimasu. In example 5, it is clear that seeing a movie took place after playing tennis. In example number 4, there is no time relation between the two activities. These activities are mentioned as example activities among the activities done on Sunday to imply that one did other activities besides them. It is not natural that actions usually done by everybody every day, such as getting up in the morning, taking meals, going to bed at night, etc., are mentioned. Yobang. Ko narimasu. Ni narimasu. Become. Narimasu means become and indicates changes in a state or condition. Examples: Samoy, samuko narimasu. Get cold. Na adjective. Example: Genki na. Genki ni narimasu. Get well. Noun plus ni. Example: 25 ni narimasu. Become 25 years old. Gobang. So desu ne. Yes, it is. So desu ne is used when you agree or sympathize with what your partner in conversation said. So desu ka with a falling intonation is a similar expression to this lesson 2. So desu ka with a rising intonation, however, is an expression of your conviction or exclamation after getting information which was unknown to you. While so desu ne is used to express your agreement or sympathy with your partner in conversation when he or she refers to something you agree with or already know. Examples: Samuko narimashita ne. It's got cold, hasn't it? So desu ne. Yes, it has. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub. and see you in the next lesson. Matane!